My name is Günther. I'm a data platform owner at bank99. bank99 is the bank of the Austrian Postal Service. So we are a relatively new bank, so we just celebrated our 5th birthday in April 2025, so we launched in 2020. We are available in 1800 postal branches all over Austria. Our initial data stack consisted of two different components. First we had SAS, statistical analysis software, based on an Oracle database, and then it was classical Microsoft SQL Server, and we have now consolidated this to Exasol using DB Visualizer pretty much. We're running Exasol-8 in the cloud together with the Red framework from Sphinx IT. We use Microsoft Azure Cloud. So our use case to basically build a new data warehouse was the consolidation of two core banking systems into one system, and that system was also based on Exasol. The satisfaction with the new solution in the bank itself is pretty good. They noticed that there is actually quite some increase in speed and availability of data, and also we have more data now available in the data warehouse for various technical reasons. So we try to live the self-service BI approach, basically empowering everyone to use data and to look at the data as much as possible. Because of the new solution and we have more data available, it's been much more accepted recently, so that's also one of the positive outcomes. Database decision making is obviously at the core of every financial services organization at the moment. The big benefit that we see now is basically the availability of the data, because we can do direct query in the BI tool now. That is only possible because we have the performance now on the database side. That makes decision making faster, essentially a bit easier as well. What I see as a major difference compared to our legacy warehouse is definitely the speed component. That's what Exasol is known for, but it's also a key topic for us. The big impact and the big improvement that we saw after switching to the new data warehouse solution was basically of the data from the previous day. So it took us up to 6 hours to basically have the data from the previous day loaded into the data warehouse. Now it takes up to maybe 10 minutes. Quite significant, and also makes my life a lot easier. So I have more time to do other things. So another benefit of Exasol is basically that we can now do direct query in our BI tools. So that means we don't have to periodically load new data into the semantic models. We can do direct query now. So that means we always have the latest data that is in the database also available in the BI tool. So we have some sort of real-time reporting available now. I can definitely recommend Exasol to other companies. If acceleration and working with data, self-service BI, one of those topics, is at the core of what you want to do, and you should do. What's worth mentioning would be that it's a German company. So they are Nuremberg, we are located in Vienna, so there's also some geographical proximity. One of those advantages that you can talk to the company directly, because Exasol is still not a huge company like Oracle or the other ones. So you can talk to the development team directly, which is something you would not be able to do with, say, the other typical database providers.